So if I were to do like the organic growth SEO optimization, that package, how much does this cost?
Okay.
How does it
Uh,
work?
okay. My boy told me your channel has 6 to 10 videos right now. Am I right?
About 6 videos, yes. I unlisted my old videos
Okay.
because it was talking about health and beauty. I was doing that 3 years ago, but now I changed my content direction.
From now, you want to make more videos, right?
Yes, I'm making more videos every week now. Before, I'm uploading twice a week, but I realized something. When I upload twice a week, the new video, it kills the old video because now people stop watching the old video and watching only the new one. So the old video does not have enough time to mature. So now I'm going to post once a week because I'm doing quality content. So I want it to have time to breathe, you know?
Okay, then you want to make 4 videos in a month, am I right?
4 to 5, depending
Four
on the
to
month,
five.
right? So if it's 5 week, 5 Saturdays, okay. Or maybe I choose Friday. If you guys say Friday is better or Saturday is better, whatever. So every Friday or every Saturday, I'm going to post.
Okay, so
Okay.
if you wanna upload 4 to 5 videos every month, then I can make you a custom package for you, and that can be if you upload 4 videos, then the monthly package will be only $50. That means a 4 video for $40 and 5 video for $50. I mean, each video is $10 only.
Okay.
According
So,
about complete SEO optimization and including also organic promotion work, also including your whole channel optimization and etc. All the thing, excluding Google
okay.
Ads, because Google Ads is different.
Okay. So I hear you. If I wanted to run Google Ads on my videos, say when it first launches, and I want to run, say, for the first 3 days, Google Ads on each video, and as well as I want to publish because I'm researching YouTube strategies. Say, for example, okay, wait, I want to do YouTube ads, right?
Mhm.
Or social like ads, right? How much is that going to be if I am running the two together? You know what I mean?
Yes, I understood. If you want to run your Google Ads, then the hour cost will be $20 for each ad campaign for our service charge, and the Google ad cost will be different, and it will be spent from your cart. And our
I
service charge,
see.
I mean, all the thing will be only $20 for each campaign. Okay.
Okay.